Lesson 143.
Hay.
Antonio, this verb is pretty simple and easy to use. Wouldn't you agree?
Mm-hmm.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about I and how you can use it in a sentence?
First of all, let's remember that H is always silent in Spanish, so you would pronounce it I as opposed to hey or hi. So let's use the first example here. Hay un gato. That just means there is a cat in the house. Now let's look at the second example. Hay tres gatos. And now we're talking about three cats. So instead of saying there is three cats, we say in English, obviously, there are three cats. But Spanish is just more simple. Whether there is or there are, there's only one way of saying that in Spanish, and that is just saying I.
So the word I covers singular and plural.
Yes.
So that's less forms for us to remember.
That's correct. So it's more simple in Spanish.
And again, the gender doesn't matter either. If you say there is something that's male or there is something that's female, that doesn't matter either. It's always just the same word, I.
That's right, Bill.
Okay, let's look at our exercises together. In number 1, hay un perro means there is a dog. En la casa means in the house. So there is a dog in the house. In number 2, hay dos escritorios means there are 2 desks. And en mi habitación means in my bedroom. So number 2 will say, there are 2 desks in my bedroom. In number 3, hay unos niños means there are some children. And we'll translate en el parque as at the park. So number 3 will say, there are some children at the park. In number 4, hay un gato says, there is a cat. En la mesa means on the table. So number 4 will say, there is a cat on the table. In number 5, hay comida will say, there is food. And en la cocina says, in the kitchen. So number 5 will say, there is food in the kitchen. In number 6, los niños están means the children are. Durmiendo means sleeping. And en la cama means in the bed. So number 6 will say, the children are sleeping in the bed. In number 7, yo necesito means I need. Comer means to eat. And then ahora mismo means right now. So I need to eat right now. In number 8, yo siempre hago means I always do. And mi trabajo means my job or my work. Remember that the verb yo hago or hacer can mean to do or to make. It can mean either of those 2 things. So number 8 will say, I always do my work or I always do my job. In number 9, todas las noches means every night. Mi gato va means my cat goes. A mi habitación means to my bedroom. Para dormir is a way to express purpose. It means for the purpose of sleeping or to sleep. En la cama means in the bed, and conmigo means with me. So number 9 will say, every night my cat goes to my bedroom to sleep in the bed with me. In number 10, mis hijos quieren means my sons want. Cocinar means to cook. La cena means dinner, and esta noche means tonight. So, my children want to cook dinner tonight.